Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 4 to power x plus 4 to power x plus 4 to power x is equal to 20. So what is the value of x? Solution, we have that 4 to power x is common here, so we can factor out 4 to power x, so that we'll have into the parentheses 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is equal to 20. The next step is that we have 4 to power x times 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is 3, and this is equal to 20. So let's divide both sides by 3, so that now we have 4 to power x. This is equal to 20 over 3. To solve for x, we introduce logarithm on both sides. So we'll have log 4 to power x. This is equal to log 20 over 3. Now, log 4 to power x, this is in the form of log a to power n, which we can express as n log a. Applying this power rule property, we find that log 4 to power x becomes x log 4. This is equal to log 20 over 3. So let's divide both sides by log 4 by log 4. So let's simplify here, so that x is equal to log 20 over 3. All this divided by log 4. And you find that log 20 over 3, this is in the form of log a over b, which we can express as log a subtract log b. Now applying this logarithm property, then we can have x equal to log 20 over log 4, then subtract log 3 over log 4. From here we can express 20 as 5 times 4. So we'll have x equal to log 5 times 4 divided by log 4 subtract log 3 divided by log 4. So log 5 times 4, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Applying this logarithm property, then we'll have that x is equal to log 5 over log 4, then plus log 4 divided by log 4, then subtract log 3 divided by log 4. Let's simplify here. Log 4 and log 4 simplifies, so this is 1, so that x is equal to 1 plus log 5 over log 4 subtract log 3 over log 4. We can express 4 as 2 to power 2, and therefore we have that x is equal to 1 plus log 5 over log 2 to power 2 subtract log 3 divided by log 2 to power 2. Now the next step from here is that log 2 to power 2, by applying the power rule property, we can express this as 1 plus log 5 divided by 2 log 2 subtract log 3 divided by 2 log 2. So therefore, this implies that x is equal to, now here we have 1 plus, this is the same thing as half log 5 over log 2 subtract half log, this is 3 over log 2. But log 5 over log 2 and log 3 over log 2, this is in the form of log a over log b, which we can express as log a to base b. So this implies that the value of x is equal to 1 plus half log 5 to base 2, subtract half log 3 to base 2. Now, this is the value of x. Let's verify that this value of x satisfies the equation. Let's verify that this value of x satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall, we have that 4 to power x plus 4 to power x plus 4 to power x. This is supposed to give us a value of 20. And given that 4 to power x is common here, we factor out 4 to power x. So that now we'll have into the parentheses, this is the same thing as 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is equal to 20. So this is 4 to power x times 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 20. So from here, we can substitute the value of x. So we have 4 to power 1 plus, this is half log 5 to base 2, subtract half log 3 to base 2, multiplied by 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 20. Now, from here, we can express 4 as 2 to power 2. Substituting this, we have 2 to power 2 multiplied by 1 plus half log 5 to base 2, subtract half log 3 to base 2, close the bracket here, everything multiplied by 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 20. Now, the next step is to simplify here. We can express this as 2 to power 2 times 1. This is 2 plus 2 and 2 simplifies, so plus log 5 to base 2, subtract, now 2 and 2 here again simplifies, subtract log 3 to base 2, everything here multiplied by 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 20. Let's check if this is true. The next step is that 2 to power 2 plus log 5 to base 2 minus log 3 to base 2. This is in the form of a to power n plus m, which we can express as a to power n times a to power m. And also this is in the form of a to power n subtract m, which we can express as a to power n over a to power m. Applying these exponent properties, then here we have 2 to power 2 times 2 to power log 5 to base 2 divided by 2 to power log, this is 3 to base 2, everything here multiplied by 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 20. 2 to power 2. 2 to power 2 is the same thing as 4. And you find that 2 to power log 5 to base 2, this is in the form of m to power log a to base m, which we can express as a. So applying this property, applying this logarithm property, then we'll have 4 times, now here 2 to power log 5 to base 2, this is the same thing as 5, and 2 to power log 3 to base 2, this is the same thing as 3. So we have 4 times 5 divided by 2 to power log 3 to base 2, which is 3. Everything here multiplied by 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 20. So it's clear here we can simplify. So that 4 times 5, this is equal to 20, and this is equal to 20. So this implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this implies that the value of x satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. See you in the next video.